Hi, this is Mandar here from Copper, and I'm going to talk to you about the different heads of income that need to be considered while filing your income tax, right? So, what can be the different sources of income under which you could file your income tax return? Now, there are five different sources of income or heads of income while when you file your income tax returns, right? Number one is income from salary. Most of the Indians are employed, right, with a company, and the salary that you get is under this income bracket, which is income from salary. Income from business or profession, people who have their own businesses like me, or individuals who let's say are taking tutoring classes, or they are selling baking cakes, right? They are an individual and they are offering their services to others, right? So if whether it's income from business or a specific profession, this falls under the second income head. The third is income from capital gains. Now, what are capital gains? Basically, if you have any capital assets, such as, let's say, mutual funds or stocks, and you sell these mutual fund units or stocks and you gain a profit, right? Let's say I invested 2 lakh rupees in the pre-COVID time. After 3-4 months, that 2 lakh rupees became 2.5 lakh rupees, right? So now I want to redeem that income. So I uh, take back these stocks, right? I get back my income. I sell these stocks, I get back my income. I've made a 50,000 profit. Now that is income under capital gains. So at the end of the year, when I'm going to file my income tax returns, I would have to pay tax on the 50,000 that I earned from capital gains. Fourth is income from house property. Again, if you're into flipping houses, or if you're just selling houses, right, and you're making a profit on each sale. Let's say the house that you bought was worth 1 crore, and after 10 years you're selling the house, right? And you the cost of that house is now, let's say, 5 crores. So you've made a profit of 4 crore over that period. So that is termed as a capital gain, and you have to pay tax on it unless and until you don't invest the capital gain from a house sale into some other asset, whether you're buying an asset or a house, or you're investing it in government bonds, which are up till 50 lakh rupees. You can save tax, right? So that is income from house property. And fifth is income from other sources. So I mean, whatever is not there, under whatever is not falls under the first four income heads would be recorded here. Let's say you're earning some dividends from stocks, you're earning an interest on your fixed deposit account, you're earning some income from winning prizes, lotteries, whatever, right? So that falls under this income from other sources, right? So just to summarize, there are five heads of income that you need to consider while filing your ITR. These are income from salary, income from business or profession, income from capital tax gains, right? And income from other sources, such as dividends and interest, right? So make sure that you keep this in mind while you file your income tax returns, especially if you have multiple sources of income, right? Have a good day.